Rainbow Hands.
Now, magic time. 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone, welcome to Rainbow Hands. Today we are going to draw a Christmas tree. Are you ready? Let's start. First, let's draw a star. Next, let's draw the Christmas tree. Now, let's draw some ornaments. Now, let's make all the lines thick and clean. Great! Drawing part is all done. It's coloring time. Red. Let's color it red. Orange. Let's color it orange. Yellow. Let's color it yellow. Blue. Let's color it blue. Purple. Let's color it purple. Pink. Let's color it pink. Silver. Let's color it silver. Green. Let's color it green. Brown. Let's color it brown. Wow! Look at our Christmas tree. It looks so beautiful. You did a great job. Now it's magic time. The tree is going to turn into a real Christmas tree. 1, 2, 3. It turned into a real Christmas tree. It's so beautiful. It looks amazing. You did a great job today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to draw again with me. You did amazing today. See you in the next video. Bye-bye, friends.